Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Just a tip for fellow filmmakers of experimental, low-budget, independent, no-budget films. Pretty much anyone making a film in the Philippines, when you visit here, the thing to do beforehand is to make sure all your camera equipment, including parts for repair, anything that you're going to need, make sure you bring it with you, including some props. If you're going to think you're going to come to visit the Philippines to make your film, and a problem goes with one of your cameras, or you want to buy a camera, a movie camera, or any other type of camera that's used, essentially, or a vintage camera expressly, do understand that in the Philippines, Filipinos charge out the wazoo these insane, crazy prices for vintage equipment for some reason. Now, in the United States, as we know, we either give these things away, or we sell them for $5, $10, stuff like that, unless it's something like a Bolex, but it's not totally outrageous. So don't let it be a surprise to you, filmmakers, that when you visit the Philippines, if you purchase a vintage camera, what we sell at a yard sale or flea market for $5 and $10, instead of $5, it's going to be $55, and I'm not kidding. Some of it's not clean, or doesn't even work, and they can't even guarantee that. It's almost as bad as eBay. But do understand, the repair people in the Philippines for cameras are excellent. All right, even some of the old film guys. There's some still around, including myself. We work on service film cameras. All right, so do keep this in mind. Just a good tip. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our barter buy and sell group, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.